In this lecture, we'll learn about comments. So JavaScript comments are the way to deliver the messages. That means it is used to add the information about the code, warning, or the suggestion so that the end user can easily interpret your code. So if you just write some code over here in the JavaScript, and if you just give this code to any other end user, will just understand this code and interpret it, because you'll just put something comment over here like this is the variable declaration. So this can be the message that can be given to the end user so that he will just understand what you are doing over here with this commenting code over here. That means it is used to add the information about your code, warning, or the suggestions. So we have two types of comment, and first one is here, that is a single line comment. So anything you write in this single line will be commented out or left alone. That means it won't be executed by the browser. So it is basically started with this // so anything after this // is single line comment. So you can just put any suggestion, any code that should be left out by the execution or by the browsers. So second one is the multi-line comment, and basically it starts with single / and put this star. After that, this is your single line comment. That means you can give any information about your code, suggestion, warning in this multi-line, and you have to end this multi-line comment with this one asterisk and the backward slash over here. And this is your closing. So this is your multi-line comment, and over here is your single line comment. So you would wonder what is the advantage of this JavaScript comments. So first one would be it will make easy to understand that what you are writing over here or what you have just made use of. That means it is used to elaborate the code so that end user can easily understand your code. And the next one is to avoid the unnecessary code. It can be also used to avoid the code being executed. That means anything you had written over here won't be executed by the browser. That means it will avoid the unnecessary code. So we just add sometimes the code that is performing some action, but after some time there maybe we need to disable that code. In such case, it is basically better to use this comment. So instead of just removing all of that code, what if we just put this comment, and if you just want that code again to recover, that means you can simply uncomment it and you can just execute that code. So this is the two advantages of the JavaScript comments, and we'll see that JavaScript comments in action now in the browser. So what you need to do is simply left click over here and inspect the element, go to the console, and over here we'll just make use of this // and I'll just say var, which is basically the way to create the variable. And if I just say 1, that means here we'll just see undefined. But if I just create the variable without this // then you would see that variable a has been created over here as 1. So that means this line of code is not executed. So what if I just say something like this is the line, and it will show us something that is a syntax error because this is not any syntax. But if I just put the same line, that is this is line, in this // that means it will not execute. That means it will be left out by the compiler or basically this browser engine. So this is your single line comment. So we'll see now the multi-line comment, and that starts with this / and asterisk and put this is multi-line, and it should be comment, and just close this comment with the same / and the asterisk. And if I just hit enter, that means this is your multi-line comment. It won't be executed by the browser. So the main advantage is to make the code easy to understand, and the second would be to avoid the unnecessary code. So this will be wrap for this lecture. See you in the next